Namaste. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom Yoga channel. Today we will see about the sutras, the second sutra of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So in second sutra he will describe about the yoga. So what is actually the yoga? The definition of yoga he will describe in this sutra. By this sutra Patanjali also clears the misconceptions about yoga. So there are many misconceptions about yoga, that yoga is a magic or tantra or bhugata samadhi or siddhis and many more. So he will clear that this is not those kind of things. That is not yoga. The sutra goes like this: Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. So we'll try to understand the sutra, so then we'll get to know what actually it is. So this is the proper definition, authoritative definition given by Maharshi Patanjali. So for that, the word yoga, the starting word, yogas chitta vritti nirodha. So we'll understand the rest of the words, leaving the yoga word. So then we'll get to know the meaning properly. First, the word chitta. What is this word called chitta? So chitta, we usually hear this word while describing the Paramatma. Paramatma is nothing but macro consciousness. So the Paramatma description goes like this: Sat Chit Ananda. So where the second word chitta, so the same chitta the Patanjali is also using here. According to modern psychology, this chitta can be referred to the mind. So where this chitta is the connection between Jivatma to Paramatma, where this chitta is the connection between us and Paramatma, Jivatma and Paramatma. So this is chitta. Chitta is nothing but, in simple words we can understand, is that as a mind. And if you want to understand it in a proper way, so which is the connection between the God and us. Next, so you'll understand the vritti. So vritti, the dhatu or the root word of vritti is vrit. So which means to exist. What to exist? So we'll understand in English meaning, which means the modifications. So the modifications of the mind. Chitta vritti means the modifications of the mind or states of mind. So this is how we can understand. In later on sutras, he will explain what are the states of mind, the afflictions of the mind, and in detail we will go on that thing. So here for our understanding, we should understand chitta vritti means the afflictions or modifications or the states of the mind. Again, the misconception about chitta vritti. So many of them think that chitta vritti are the vibrations. Here we should understand that chitta is not a physical form and vritti is the mental image. So these cannot create the vibrations. So chitta vritti is not the vibration. So this is a misconception some of the people having. So I'm trying to clear through this video. And the last word goes nirodha. So nirodha word comes from niruddham. So niruddham means to restrict or to stop or to avoid. So here yoga means to avoid this conflictions or the modifications of the mind. So yoga is chitta vritti. So modifications of mind, nirodha, to stop. So this is what Patanjali means, that the modifications or the afflictions or the states of the mind to be relieved, to be avoided. That is what yoga is called. So that in simple, if you want to understand, no thought state is yoga. Dhanyavad. Hope you understand. So in the next video, we'll go with Sutra 3. So where the further continuation of this sutra will be explained. Dhanyavad.